So one of our chickens has just got a mouse, and she's running with him, and he's alive. It's so funny. Run, chicken, run! She's got a mouse in her. Oh, it's a circle of life, baby. It's a circle of life. Let her be. She's gonna run with the mouse. But that's funny. Our blue rock chicken called Sylvia has caught a tiny mouse, and she's running with it. There she goes. There she goes. She's got the mouse in her beak.
He's alive.
And she's running around and he's alive. Yeah. I guess.
Catch her and take the mouse from her.
I'm not gonna mess with the chicken right now. Oh, she's killing him.
Ah! Don't do that.
Oh, it's a circle of life, honey. She's got him good.
You don't kill mice.
She's killing him. Right there. She's running away from us too. But it's funny.
Yes, go into your pen, then I can take the mouse.
Oh, she killed him. Yeah, she's running with it.
No, he's blood.
I know. I'm sorry, honey. Well, that's our chicken running with a live mouse which she caught. And now she's eating him. Chicken adventures. That's okay.
That's Sylvia. Don't kill him. That's Sylvia.
Aaron, let them be, honey. Aaron, I can't see, baby. Aaron, I can't see, honey.
Oh, why are you doing such horrible things? Cottonhead, I expected you to be better than this.
Everyone's running after a mouse. The second mouse they have caught.
What's it with you and wars against mice?
Oh, well, they caught some.
Sylvia, if you catch another mouse, I swear.
Oh. That's funny. They've been catching mice.
But they hurt the little mice.
Oh. Say bye, Aaron.
Don't kill it. No. I'm going to save you, little mousey. Oh.
Aaron, where is the mouse? Okay, bring it over here and give it to Sylvia. That was her mouse.
Sylvia?
She's on the other side there.
Come here. Get your mouse. No, Grace, you can't have this. I'm sorry. The mouse is a good mouse. Here. Here's Sylvia.
Hey, Miss Secretary.